Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a report. To begin with, I'm going to use the SQL Builder to link the Customer and Invoice table to display the customer names. Then in the Report Builder, I'll select the SQL and add the fields I want from both the Invoice and Customer tables. I'll rename the column titles, resize the width, and select the total as the column to be summed up at the bottom of the report. I'll also order the report by the Invoice Number column. Before running the report, I'll rename the report and I'll change the format of the totals. Now I can run the report and generate a PDF file with the required data.
Hey, I was reading that.